Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Fahim Ahmed, Junior Blockchain Developer at Ahom Limited. Today I am going to represent you how can we add the number of validators, or how can we increase the number of validators in any Cosmos SDK based privately set up node. If we fork from Cosmos SDK and set up a node locally in our PC, then this node will call, or this node is recognized as private node, and in every private node there is a folder called private folder, you can see here. And in that private folder there is three folders named config, data, and keyring test. The data folder contains the data in Cosmos SDK based gold blockchain. They are used Tendermint consensus engine and to store data in Cosmos SDK based blockchain. Four types of database is used: application.db, blocks.db, evidence.db, and txindex.db. That's not our concern. If we want to increase the number of validators, we have to add in genesis.json file. You can see that in my screen. So by default, in any Cosmos SDK based privately set up node, there are 100 validators in genesis.json. So if we we can increase the number of validators from by adding this genesis.json file. So I am going to show you how can we do the tasks. First you have to fork Cosmos SDK, and then you have to set up a local node, and this node is known as a private node. And after properly set up your node, you can find a private folder from the code base, and under this private folder you have to open the config folder, and under this config folder you have to find you will find a file named genesis.json. And now in genesis.json you can see the genesis state of your node. And in my case, my chain ID is learning chain 1, and now I am going to add the validator number. And for that I have to find the staking field under the genesis.json file, and under the genesis.json file, in staking field there are some parameters you show here. Okay, now I am going to add this validators number, add these validator numbers. Here you can see that the maximum validators is 500, and I am going to change it by 550. And let's see if our chain is starting or generating blocks properly or not. If this maximum validator 550 is working properly, then the chain is generating, then the chain will be generating blocks properly after chain start command. I am going to show you that. Okay, now I have to build this project again. So I am doing this task by opening my terminal. Okay, I have to go to the Cosmos SDK folder. Now I have to build the project again. This will take some time. Okay, the build is successfully executed, and now I have to run this chain again. And this is the command. This is the command for and this is the command for starting the chain. Yes, the chain is starting and working properly, and here you can see that the block is generated. height is 214, then height is 215. Okay, so I can say that my private node has now maximum set of validators is 550. Thank you.